YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an update with you guys. This is my son, and say your name, Enzo. He really loves blocks. There's blocks everywhere in the house, and cleaning them up is something else. Anyway, say hello, Pookies. Say hello to people on YouTube. Say hello. What do you want to tell them what you like to eat?
Yeah.
You like corn?
Pizza, corn.
Corn and sausage.
Pizza and corn.
And you like a rice and stew?
Pizza and corn.
Yeah, he loves corn. He likes stews when I make them. And I even tried giving him ugali, which is a Kenyan food. And he really liked that. So yeah, so I'm going to talk to you guys. I know you want to show them your little outfits? Your little shorts? Okay, up. Oh, look at those shorts. Look at those legs. Okay. All right, Pookie. So here we got something for sure. So yeah, I don't even know, this video we kind of wing it and see how it goes. And if Pookie, I call him Pookie since he was born. Because Pookie, in the hood, you know, Pookie's like your bae, or to me, that I call him Pookie. It's weird, but that's how it's, since he was born, I've been using that. So I usually call him Pookie at home. Yeah, so yeah, he's almost 4. I can't believe he's gonna start pre-K soon. Working hard, especially with learning like shapes, colors, and alphabet and stuff like that. And it's really been good so far. Ooh, look at that. Hey, somebody's playing with their blocks. Pookie, you're not looking. Look, you gotta look here. Hello. So yeah, I'm working on that. At first when I was working, don't push it. Uh-oh. When I was working, whoops, don't push the camera. So when I was working, it was hard. My mom-in-law speaks Spanish only. So, you know, he was picking up a little Spanish, but not so much. And then when I started teaching him in English. And it worked so well, because right now he's doing so well. Alphabets are still a struggle, but shapes, colors, he's really, really excited about them. He's doing well. Right, Pookies? You know your shapes. What color is this?
Red.
This is red, see? And what color is this?
Yellow.
Good job. Give me 5. That's right. So as you can see, he just sings colors now and shapes. And at first, you know, when I started teaching him, I was so frustrated because it felt like it wasn't really getting them. But, you know, it just took time. So now we're going to work on like the alphabet and stuff like that. So for those of you asking, like, so his dad is Latino. He's from Mexico. I'm African from Kenya. And pretty much this is what you get. Yeah. What's going on, Pookie? Yeah. So he's super active like most toddlers, but I think with a, you know, extra from me. I'm really super active. He eats very well, as you can see, like his veggies and fruits, not a problem. He likes bananas. He likes, oh, there you are. You gonna show them? Okay, you have to move back so they can see it. Look, stay right here. See, now you can see the blocks. See? You see? Yeah, he's super active. He eats well. You know, giving him a shower has been a struggle. Brushing his teeth is way better. Okay, you have to come back this way because mommy can't see the people. Oh, there we are. So yeah, brushing his teeth is something I'm teaching him really well. He's doing good. A shower, on the other hand, is a struggle, especially because he doesn't like water going in his ears, which is typical for kids. And a lot of people buy these things to cover their face. But for me, I'm trying to get him comfortable with that, so that in the long run, he won't be like those people that are really scared of having water in their hair. Yeah. So he's definitely bigger and taller for his age. And a lot of times we had doctor's appointments, they're like, oh, we can see why. Like, it's not anything that they bring up like, oh, you need to watch this and that. Because really, honestly, I knew he was going to be a bigger kid. Yeah. So he's almost 4, but a lot of people think he's like 5 or 6. He's always looked older. And a lot of kids approach him that way until they realize, what are you doing? Are you sleeping? Uh-oh, the camera. Whoops. Enzo. What are you doing down here? They gotta see you. They wanted to see you for a long time. Okay, you don't want to be on camera? Okay guys, we had to take a little break. As you can see, somebody was having a little meltdown here. Sometimes, you know, that's kids, you know, when you tell them no or you try to be a certain way, you know, they'll cry. Some cries are not real, they're crocodile tears, but some are real. You know, you kind of have to Anyway, so you ready? For his age, nothing to really stress. Age never really stressed me out. I mean, he was almost 9 pounds when he was born. Yeah. So the discipline part is still a challenge. I mean, you know, 2, 3, and I think 2, 3, and 4 are kind of hard because they're kind of starting to form their personalities and stuff like that. So I typically, if he's doing something that I'm like, no, I'll take certain things away. Like he likes his blocks, I'll take the blocks away. You know, or sometimes I'm like, oh, you're not gonna be able to spend time with your grandma, you know, if you don't help mommy clean, or we try things like that because those seem to work more for him. So taking away certain things at a certain time. Sometimes it's just like if he's doing something crazy, you know, I'm gonna just walk away and let him do the thing, and then when, you know, just to not pay attention to it as much, because a lot of people recommend it, like just don't pay attention to it. But you know, it's a challenge. Another challenge that I have is his hair. His hair is like a natural. I don't know if it's 4A, 4B, or 4C. For me, it's been a challenge. I love taking care of my hair, for example, and I also want to do that for him, but keeping him still. You see the people, Bookies? Keeping him still has been kind of a challenge sometimes, right, Bookies? You don't like your hair being touched. So we have to, I actually recently cut it because it was so much and it was tangled. He doesn't want to be, oh, you gotta look here because they can't see you. You want to stand up? The struggle is real, guys. Oh, yeah. So he's really active. A lot of people, so I've gotten a lot of questions where people are like, oh, is that your kid? But to me, if you look closely, you'll see the resemblance. It's there. It even has dimples. You want to show them your dimples? This one on the cheeks? Show them. Smile. So they can see the cheeks like mommy. Look, we have a dimple. Yay! A little. Do it. Let me see the smile. Let me see the. That's my cutie pie. See, he has dimples too. I feel like his nose is definitely mine because we have little noses, right? We have small little noses. And oh yeah, because honestly, I've been putting it off because it's a little bit of a struggle with him. Getting him to sit like on the potty naked and stuff like that. It's hard. A lot of people say, you know, it's easy for them. You know, it's easier with girls than boys, and I think so. Your favorite show? Okay, tell him I like Mario. Up, up. Can you tell him your favorite show? Mario.
Mario.
And PJ Maxx and Top Wing. And which other ones do you like?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. Oh, SpongeBob. He doesn't watch SpongeBob. SpongeBob. What other show? Tell them. Which other show?
Squidward.
Squidward?
Squidward.
But Squidward, I think, is from SpongeBob, right? And then, what other show? Oh, Om Nom. He watches that a lot. Oh, and Bleepy. So much to read about. It make you want to shout, Bleepy. Om Nom, that's right. Learning, he's better with those. So we try to bring like blocks to learn, you know, counting, to learn colors. So you're just using like different things that he can touch to kind of learn, like being in the sand. Like during the summer last year, we were able to do that. Like let him just play and learn at the same time with things. Versus, you can get up. There, you can stand. But oh, let me see if I can move it up. There you go. Oh my goodness, what is Pookie doing? Oh, you want to go? Okay, go. Oh, we have this. This is one of the tanglers that I got that we use a lot. And then I put either avocado oil, castor oil, things like that in his hair. Yeah, so them, they got to see you. So what else? What does Pookie want to say? Are you gonna go to school next year? No school. No. Yeah. But yeah, a lot of people, you know, say it, like my mom thinks he changes every year, like he looks more like his dad, and then there's days when he looks more like me and stuff like that. But if you look closely for both of us, you'll see the resemblance. Like he has both. He has features from both of us.